Hello guys and welcome to Wow Science. And today this video with the help is being successful with the help of Copilot, which is great. And I asked it to generate a quiz, so I'm going to attempt it. So there are 15 questions, each mixed with physics, biology, and chemistry question. And first question is, what is the unit of force in the SI system? So force is basically a push or pull, and that I believe it's Newton. Let's go. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? Now a scalar quantity means it's something like distance which has no direction and magnitude. Let's see. Velocity is a vector quantity. It has both magnitude and direction. Force is also a vector quantity. Speed and acceleration, it is one of the two. But what could it be? Speed is basically distance into time. Acceleration, what has direction but no magnitude, or what has magnitude but no direction? Because something is scalar. I'll go with acceleration. No, wait. Speed. Okay, what is the acceleration due to gravity on Earth? And I know this. This is this thing. 9.8 meter per second square. Which law states that an object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an external force? That is Newton's first law, or the law of inertia. What is the formula for calculating work done? That is work is equal to force into displacement. That I know. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? Sodium is Na because it is Latin for natrium. Which of the following is a noble gas? Okay, hydrogen is not a noble gas. Helium is a noble gas because it has two. Its atomic number is 2, so it is stable. What is the pH value of a neutral solution? So that is 7 because there is an acidic and a basic solution, and the neutral solution is between them, which is 7. Okay, which of the following is a chemical change? Let's see. This is rusting of iron, easy because it involves iron, water, and oxygen, and all the others are just the same substance but in a different state of matter. The atomic number of carbon is 6 because it is hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, and carbon, number 6. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of cell? That is mitochondria because it produces ATP. Which part of the human brain controls balance and coordination? So this is cerebellum, I believe so. What is the basic unit of hereditary? Hereditary, that is gene or DNA? And hereditary, it's a gene pool, so gene, I think. Which blood cells help in fighting infections? That is white blood cells. And they all of the 5 types of white blood cells are involved in fighting infection, like pathogens and viruses and all those. Which process converts light energy into chemical in plants? That has to be photosynthesis, and it's done. I got all right. Wait, let me see. So the force in the SI system is Newton, great, and the scalar quantity, it was actually speed. Because why did I change? Because acceleration, it is based on direction. That I thought, because it can be forward or backward. So speed is that. Acceleration, that was 9.8. That is Newton's first law, the law of inertia. This is force into displacement. That is easy. That was natrium. Helium. 7. Resting of iron. Carbon. That's 6, obviously. Powerhouse of the cell. That is mitochondria. That was cerebellum. I was actually a little scared about this answer. I wasn't sure, but I got it right. That was a gene because it was the gene pool and hereditary and gene pool. It's connected. That is white blood cells and that is photosynthesis, and the quiz is finished. Amazing work. Thank you, Gemini, for this quiz. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.